Hi everyone, let me introduce 15.6-inch double screen POS terminal for you. Model number SW1562. It has the following features. First, Windows-based or Linux operating system available. Second, 15.6-inch HD screen. 1366 multiply 768 or 1920 multiply 1080 resolution. 15.6-inch as main screen, and second display 12.5-inch or 15.6-inch can be selected. Third, CPU Intel Celeron J1900 and Intel Core i5 available. Fourth, ABS plastic case. Elegant and light design. Classic color available. Gloss white and gloss black. Fifth, built-in speaker. And it has LAN port, COM port, USB port, HDMI port, etc. 6. We also supply OEM service. You can customize your logo, your mode, and your packaging. Let's check it now.